Oh, sorry. No. Amir.
Oh, this is the room of Qazaq Toastmasters. Okay. Hello, timer. I have not started. Hello, everyone. My name is Amir. My topic: when I come around. This is a continue of my story, feeling of broken dreams, almost reached, and on top on the world. In ATM 2023, I thought how I couldn't realize my dream in 2024. All this speech was realized in Amir Toastmaster. Okay, I will tell you everything soon. In 2022, I had the plan visit to Champions League final in St. Petersburg and the concert of Green Day and Imagine Dragons. I had been preparing for this since 2017 when they announced it. I just prepared myself and I felt myself I'm so close to realize my dream. Why? The difference between all the days, the events was 2 and 3 days. That is why I was so close. I was just one step away the happiness of the whole world. But 1 billion, it's world who's called Putin just shattered my dream in a 1 day. After the Russian invasion, all the events were cancelled. I was devastated. I couldn't sleep for 5 days. I couldn't accept that all my dream was shattered. Thanks to my willpower, I was able to make my my dream of an Imagine Dragons concert in 2023 in Baku come true. In my speech on Top on the World, I told how I achieved this concert. In that's the presentation, I announced one speech, and it would be revised in 2025, and it will go when I come around. You won't, as I announced it in 2023, you won't believe I did it. As I announced it at the end January, I achieved my dream of Green Day concert. The Green Day band has a special place in my heart. I have loved this group since 2008 when we didn't have internet, and we always listened all music in MTV, and they were translated more than any rock bands. And then when I listened music, Green Day, it was Basket Case with my father. I used to tell him, Dad, I will go to their concert. You will see. I will go to their concert. My father laughed and said, My son, I will be glad to hear that. Many of you don't know that getting to Green Day concert harder than it looks. The fact that they only waters every 3 and 4 years, and it was most important for me getting their concert in May 2024. Green Day announced that they would going to give the concert in Dubai. I said myself, now or never. When the ticket on the sale, I bought the tickets. They went on sale, and they just counted until the concert. I to my surprise, as I was so desperate get to Green Day concert, I missed that the Offspring band were opening the act, but I felt myself, wow, I have entered punk rock world. Just this band was in my wish list, but the most main hero, Billy Joe Armstrong, when he come to the stage and when he's singing and then Basket Case, I wanted to cry that moment. All my experience since 2022 have revolved around this song. After the concert, I was on top on the world the second time. I was the happiest person of the world. After the concert, I met some men from Kazakhstan, and they look at me and ask, "You from Kazakhstan?" Yes. How old are you? 24. What are you doing at the edge? What do you allow yourself to do? We are for 43 and we are in this concert. You are 24. And it was like this scene in Django Free. Also in my external TV, I didn't mention in 2023 on Top of the World, I announced that one speeches it would be called Overnight at San Siro or Camp Nou, but there are no the Champions League final, and I announced a new speech Overnight or Madrid or Baku 2027. Thank you, guys. Oh.